this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to send indicator alert on Tradingview. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to tradingview.com. From here, you'll need to sign up to your account or sign in if you don't already have an account. As you can see here, you get 33 days trial right here. From here, you need to go up to Products tab to get into this page right here. Now you'll need to find the chart that you want to add this indicator alert to. And once you have done that, you'll simply need to right click on it. And then from here, you can see the first option right here called Add Alert on Gold at this specific price. And here you can see right here that you can create alert. From here, you will see the settings tab where you'll choose the symbol, the condition where you can choose either price or volume. You can choose the crossing or any other of these options down here. You can add the value or volume to whatever you want over here. And you can add several other indicators if you want to do that. From here, you can also add a trigger bot down here that you can only once or every time that these conditions get filled. And you can also add an experience date by clicking right here. Down here, you can also change the message to the alert name and a message that will give it. You can also add placeholder if you want to do that. And over here, you can see the notifications where you can add notify an app, show toast notifications. You can add whether or not it should send you an email, a webhook URL, play a sound, or send plain text as an email or SMS. Once you've done all that, you'll simply need to click create. And now you have an active indicator alert inside of Tradingview. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!